Hello, good morning. We are going to Bombay for Lakme Fashion Week. Suitcases are packed. I'm really excited and nervous because I don't know, it's just kind of intimidating to see all these fashion people around, and I'm just like, do I even deserve to be here? Normal imposter syndrome things. But otherwise, yeah, it's really exciting. So let's go. Yamini, she's doing my makeup today, and I'm speaking.
Yes, certainly.
Yeah, we are dying right now, but story time later. Let's just get ready. Hair we might have to do inside because there's a plug. Hi.
How are you?
Don't ask me. I'm very close to crying right now. A sweetheart.
I think you didn't come inside.
Can you come if I do it? Yeah.
Thank God.
This is the makeup and hair that Yamini did. She did such a good job in such a short time. She was very, very nice. So I'm wearing Antaragni for the show, and generally when a designer invites you, they're supposed to dress you. And of course, I wanted to do justice to the outfit. I loved the silhouette. I loved the little pleats. It was giving dystopian. It was giving minimalistic. So I decided to go with this gorgeous neck piece from Whitley or Whiteley, I don't know how you pronounce it, that I think matches the theme perfectly. And I already had these silver earrings of my own. I saw what kind of footwear they generally wear in the shows, so I just picked up these chunky loafers that I already had, and I thought I looked like a character from Dune because of the silhouette. So we kept the makeup also minimalistic but with a little bit of edge. So I am done and ready. Dude, so much happened. So I landed around 1:30, and then it took me forever to find my bag. I couldn't find a cab or an auto at the airport for some reason. I don't know why. So I wasted like 20 minutes there, and then I reached my friend's place and the keys not there. The neighbors were being very weird. The makeup artist was already there since like half an hour, and there were like so many like one ways and all, so I couldn't, like, I got a little lost. And basically I was running like 2 hours late on everything that I had planned, and the makeup artist who I was supposed to be collaborating with, she was already waiting, who was Yamini. Then we reached there, and then we wait outside the house for like 30 minutes and still no luck. So we go to my friend's office, and then we get ready there, and then we get ready in front of like a bunch of people. But I was like, fuck it, and we're already running late. We have to like do everything like 2 hours, and that too like on a very tight schedule, and I'm still running late right now, but I think it's gonna be fine. I just hope I don't miss the show because we already put in like so much effort. I hope the show is also running a little late. And yeah, I feel like Mumbai just hates me, dude. Like, I don't understand. Every time I come here, I have so many problems. Because especially last time also I came for Fashion Week, I had tons of problems. But it's fine, I can only wait. I can only do so much. Like, I can't, it's not in my control, So I'm just keeping calm and hoping that everything works out. I'm repeating the same jewelry I wore last time because I didn't have time to look for something else. But I think it should work out. I think I look really nice. She did really good makeup. We need to fix the lip though, which I think I'll go and do there. But otherwise, I love it. It looks really nice. And she was really, really sweet and understanding. So that's what. Let's just hope for the best. So we were able to make it on time. This is where you kind of enter from. This is like a foyer. You have a physical invite with you. You give it to the person, they check it, and then there will be some volunteers inside who will help you find your seat. Let's watch the show now. Got done with the show, and someone asked me did I walk for it, and I feel really proud now of my outfit. The show was so cool. They had like a whole thing going on, like a whole theme, and it was like giving such expressions and all. It was really nice. So this was happening in Geo World Garden, and the outside area was like a fest of sorts. There was food, there was music, there were places to sit at, and they had like these gorgeous decorations going around. So I was just walking around and shooting for brands and magazines for their Instagram pages, I guess, for publicity and just for them to cover the event. Like, I don't know what was going on, but I was just having fun and I was looking good, so I was like, why not? Vlog moment with Sue. She's doing what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Bro, I look so
Arey, what are you doing? Girl,
I am
Lakme Fashion Week.
I'm trying to annoy Irony.
She's taking me backstage now. Is she taking me backstage? Will you take me backstage, please?
You want me to take you backstage?
Please,
Come, I will take you there.
Now we'll see what happens behind the stage. Then Sue took me backstage and I was really scared to record, so this is all I got. But it was normal, only just what you see in movies and all, I guess. It was just like a bunch of tents with chairs and hangers around. And then there was some time for the next show, so I just went and annoyed people. Who are you wearing? What are you wearing?
656, little bit of fire, looking fire.
He's not as cool as he seems.
Yeah.
He just looks cool, otherwise he's really
I look
annoying.
cool? I'll take that.
Arey,
Okay.
yeah, he's very annoying. Hi, meet Anushka. She's also moved to Ahmedabad and she's having so much fun
my
there.
parents have moved to Ahmedabad. I live in Bombay.
She loves Ahmedabad so much. She's gonna get tattooed. Ahmedabad tattooed.
Hello.
So I'm just sitting here with some old people. It's
You're joking. I'm 20 fucking 4. How old are you?
And then I watched 2 other shows. One was on the runway and one was in the Atelier. And they were also really fun. We got done by 10 and then we headed for a quick bite. And then I headed home to prepare for the next day.
That's it, bro.
Hello, it's day 2 and I'm at Sue's place. Here is my little baby Pau Pau. Sue's little baby Pau Pau. Also, I realized that 2 fashion girlies can't live together. There'll be too much mess. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready. I missed my first show today because I did get ready, as you can see, but I didn't end up going because I got a little late and then I was like really tired. So I was like, you know, there's no point in fussing and stressing and going there and rushing and all. I'll just go to a later show. And yeah, so I'm getting ready for that now. I don't really have an outfit for today, so let me borrow some items from a closet so I could build a good outfit for Fashion Week day 2. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair right now. You guys just sit and watch. I'm just trying to do like a zigzag parting, and the amount of dandruff on my scalp is a little unreal. Okay, so my hairstyle is done. I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about it. It looks really messy and the spikes are just not really giving, but let's see how it looks like with the outfit on. So this is my final look. Looking a little crazy.
That's the vibe.
That's the vibe. You're channeling our inner persona. I don't know this. Oh my god, from being on my YouTube to being on my wow.
What's up?
Full circle moment.
How's it going around?
What's your favorite fashion trend this summer? Nothing.
I mean,
What are you crochet? Yeah. But still,
yeah, you tell me.
I'm just really interested in unconventional silhouettes.
Do you want to elaborate?
No, I don't think so. No, just like really easy, not like body fitting shit, bro. Just like easy, not right. Hypocrite.
Ironic.
February, it's fine. But for summer, it's like loose clothing and conventional silhouettes. Like with pants on skirts, that's I think one of my, like I'm really getting into it. I didn't like it in the morning, like when I was starting in the morning. But now I'm really getting into it. I think it's really fun.
Are we going to see you soon in that look? Yeah.
Welcome you. As the show
Just casually queening. So you know. Then Ayan, my very quirky friend, took over for a while and he was just like filming himself and random things for quite a while, as you can see. We have a mukbang happening, and we have Pau Pau as the chief guest who is trying to leave the room now, unfortunately. He doesn't want to be part of this event, but yes. Food reveal with our most extinguished chief guest. So much food has been sent our way by social. This is completely non-sponsored. I have spent too much money on food today. Will we be able to finish this food today? Do you think so? I also think. We have ordered momos. We've ordered shawarma. And we've ordered nachos. And where's my drink? Oh, and we've ordered
a drink?
a drink.
I thought that was like a...
Sushi's there. Dim sum. Okay, not good sushi. I guess.
काश में sushi खाने जितना अमीर होता.
चुप हो जा. आयान तू कभी like किसी ने कभी तेरे को गिराया है when you were a toddler?
गिराया है.
नहीं उल्टा पैदा हुआ था. He directly hit the floor. He's like pop and put. We picked him up and they were like shit. The doctor was like it's okay. He'll be fine. As you can see, he's not fine. Please don't give birth. I love myself. I'm so fun. I make myself laugh so much. I'll marry myself like that woman. You know that woman who married herself?
Yeah.
I'll do that because I think I'm the funniest person. And I make myself laugh so much.
Honestly, Aryaki,
And I also spend money on me.
I think like at the end of the day you should record a video like
Every day.
that Nikki sister.
Best of luck, Nikki.
And you should say best of luck but to yourself, like for your future self.
Jeez,
Best of luck, Aryaki.
That's so emo.
I'm saying best of luck.
Just say it like this.
Bro.
Best of luck, Aryaki.